coffee machine, like a latte machine, and if you put the milk pot in there, it makes a perfect cup of coffee. How many cups of coffee can you drink in a day? Below the age of 12, we shouldn't be, exposing children to too much caffeine. So, women who are lactating should also limit the caffeine, because in small amounts can pass through breast milk, and you'll have a very active baby. Also, it can help to improve your mental alertness, reduce risk of Alzheimer's even. So there are many benefits of drinking coffee. People who drink tea tend to have better memory. And
so from beans,
Wow.
so from bean to cup, and everything is natural.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
And one interesting thing about matcha is that it is the most finely ground food on the surface of this earth.
Really?
Gyokuro.
And it's super high antioxidant, and it tastes really delicious as well. Rosemary tea and fenugreek tea does help with the digestion as well.